Hello YouTube, I'm Manamine, and in this video we're going to play Minecraft Pocket Edition. Look at my skin, I'm a duck. And look at my tail, it's funny. Okay, so we're going to play single player survival with Manamine. It's a new world I make for this video. And it's loading and loading and loading and loading again. Okay. So we are in the world, and why is all those black? Okay, and in this video, in this world, first of all we need some dirt. We're going to survive. Yes, lag. Why are you lagging? Wait, come on. Oh, okay. And in this world, we're going to survive. And now I'm going to cut some tree. I'm gonna stand. There we are. I went for some mining to. I have a sword and two pickaxes, a wooden pickaxe that I don't use. Let's kill some cows to get food. As I was told to you, in this world I'm going to do survival with Minamine. I am Minamine, so yes. Oh, come on. I'm gonna kill you. And it's gonna be fun, and I'm going to make a lot of things. The first video isn't very good. I mean, I'm not going to do a lot of things in this video. I'm going to make a small house and that's it. No, I mean, I'm going to kill some of them, some of horses to get some, to make chest plate. Yes. And I'm going to kill some more, and then I'm going to make a house and a chest plate, of course. And yes, let's kill you. Next episodes are going to be more interesting than that episodes. Yes. This is my new channel that named Minamine, and in this channel I'm going to make vlogs and and challenges and gameplays, of course, and a lot of pranks. I love pranks. Yes. Let's kill you. You are a black horse, like the horse of Joe Rogan. Oh, come on, Antonio Banderas. Yes. So, where are the other horses? Oh, come on. Alright. In this map, it's going to. No, next episodes are going to be better. Because in this episode I am not having a lot of items. I'm going to play some that not on air, and I'm not going to have a video for when I'm going to mine, for example, because it's bored. And yes, I'm going to do multiplayers and all those. Oh, what hurts me? Oh, you. Come on, I'm gonna kill you. Oh, come on. Why I can't hurt you? Okay, let's get away from here. Okay, let's kill some horses more, and then we need. Oh, an XP. What was that? I didn't get an XP before, so I'm gonna kill you. Oh, I'm level 2. A pig! I didn't kill any pig, so I'm gonna kill you. Sorry. Yes, you're dead. Let's get some wood and then get out of here. Okay. Oh, come on. I have auto jump and I can jump very good. It's bored to cut trees, yes. So write on comments what games you want me to play. And if you want me to play Minecraft again, I'm gonna play Minecraft, and I'm going to do, for example, to go on servers and play Skywars and Skyblock and mini games. I don't know what mini games, but I'm going to play mini games. So now we need an axe. We need to make an axe to cut trees. And oh yes, in this world, I'm going to teach you how to survival on Minecraft Pocket Edition. How to survival, yes, and I'm going to have some tips here and give you some tips and all those. I hope that it's going to be very nice and interesting, this serial. No, that isn't serial. I mean this world, by the way. And I am going to make pants. Let's put our pants. Now I am a duck with pants. I'm the punky duck. No, not punky duck. I have pants, so I kill people with pants. No, I'm not doing that. Okay. Let's cut some trees. And some more trees. And let's cut the crafting table to take that with us. Oh, you skeleton, I'm going to kill you now. And you aren't going to kill me. Okay. Oh, I kill you because I hurt your legs. Oh, okay. Now let's get out of here. Oh man, I'm not having a lot of hurt. Oh, come on. When you are on the water, you break more slow blocks. You are slow cutting blocks. Okay. Let's get some trees, some wood. Let's cut some trees and get wood. Yes. Alright. And in this episode I'm going to get some wood and all those, and then to make a house, a small house to stay. And I'm going to kill a lot of things, I mean to get food or to get other things. I mean I can get strings from spider. And okay, what's that? Oh, there's water inside. Let's go inside the pool. It's a small pool that I don't know who made that. So write on comments if you want me to do some other things on Minecraft. I mean, if you want me to play on servers, or if you want me to play alone, or if you want me to play with my friends, multiplayer. Yes, why not? Let's get some sand and get out of here. Oh, come on. Why didn't you come to me? Oh, look at the sun. And we need some cactus to make cactus, I don't know, green cactus. I don't know how it's named. Okay. So what's that? Oh man, is that I thought? Yes, it is. Look at that. Look at that, man. Let's break you, and look, all those are going to fall because they're made of sand, and they fall. Let's get some sand, and now let's go. Let's get out of here. Okay. I can play some other games on my PC, my computer, or I can play here on my phone. And yes, I'm going to do some tutorials about Minecraft, I think, and all those. Please like it right that on the corner of the video. Please like this video because that can help me to do more to do better videos. And if you like, it's cool. And I mean, yes. So I want first to go to have how much I want. Okay, 100 subscribers are okay. So I want 100 subscribers. Please subscribe me and my channel. I'm going to make some bunnies. Okay, those were small bunnies, and what was strange? Oh, go away. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's go. Oh, come on. I fell and I hurt. Oh, it's night. I didn't understand that before. Okay, there are some husk and zombies there. Oh, lava. Lava is useful. There are 3 zombies right there. And okay. Now let's stay here for a while. And because we don't want to get hurt from zombies and husks. Oh, what did hurt me? Oh, you husk. Why did you hurt me? I didn't did anything. Oh, I killed you. Okay, I did something. I killed you. So I'm going to stop the video and yes, there I am. Let's go to kill this husk. It's day. The only thing I did is to stay there until it is day. So now I'm going to find a place to make my house. Yes, to make a small house, not a big house. In some next episodes, in the next episode I'm going to make a good house. Not next, I don't know. In 3rd or 4th episode. On 4th, yes, not 4th. It isn't a car, Ford. So yes. Oh, there is some acacia there. Let's get the acacia. Oh, and some wool there. Okay, wool. I mean sheep. Sheep have wool. Let's kill you. Oh, why am I lagging? Oh, it was a sheep. It's on the sheep. It's on the sheep. It's on the sheep. Okay, I kill you, and it's a chicken there. Let's go and kill you. Wow. Oh, yes. With one shot, I kill you. That was strange, but okay, it was good. Come on. So now I'm going to build a house. And I made one more. Okay, I don't want bed now. I want a door. Yes, there's a door right there. So, who did put that there? The crafting table? I didn't put that there. I didn't put the crafting table there. How did that happen? Okay, I don't care. So, this is the video from today. Please like, because likes help me